Machita siyancokola apha bafethu. Kaizer Chiefs linked with his striker ezi3 ezintsha. Silula xesha ngoku seso sikhathi ngoku transfer business, like especially Kaizer Chiefs, like Bobby, no Kaizer Junior bazuya holiday amachita, like nigga span the same time ngoku, because the Chiefs I got the level supposed by kuyo in terms of squad and the players. So yeah, I got 3 new strikers is linked with the Chiefs. Fiston Mayele Congo, no Sadia Malawi, plus no Ranga Chivaviro. Overall fun la mchita nobusuka like born up north, but yeah, ngola up mchita wa South Africa, yeah, Chivaviro, and I'm sure most yenu yamazi mchita kanye nembona pa PSL dale khona. But so Ranga la machita my 3 new strikers is linked with Ikosi. Yeah, first ngena phakule video machita if yaqala ukuba ngale channel like content, zikhona videos every day yapha. Cofa subscribe khona indawo ezantsi apha bhali subscribe. Ungalali fana manje machita cofa subscribe upha. So yeah, masingeni apha kwezi strikers ezi3 linked with the Chiefs. So yayiqala mchita u Fiston Mayele wase Congo, DRC, 28-year-old. Yeah, season iyawashayina umjita kwi nole team yakhe udlalela I Simba Young Africans, I mean yeah, udlalela Young Africans umjita eTanzania. Uyafumana success pha umjita breakthrough season yakhe le 28-year-old. 28 umjita ngoku ki peak career yakhe, especially as a striker. Ready for my next level, and next level ngaba Kaizer Chiefs. In terms of the numbers, stats, score azikho content when information available data yakhe with domestic league pa Tanzania, but data is going up as kwi CAF Confederations Cup apho baya khona ke final bazodlala final amachita. So uMayele na udlala big role apho, be leader phana, score ne goals from 16 games, score 13, assist 3. So 13 goals, 3 assists in 16 in Confederation Cup, like Bonnie, high level. So yeah, we got Lilo Mchita, and yeah, football is being linked to Kaizer Chiefs. Bonnie make sense, but okay, Chiefs is strong Mchita. Bonnie 13 goals, Confederations Cup, 16 games. So yeah, Mayele was a Congo, and if you get Chiefs, muzo join a countryman yakhe phana khona umjita most phaki Kaizer Chiefs striker ngoku ufike this season wase Congo u Christian Mayele. So machita ya maybe nga formal partnership as one compatriots zase Congo. Yeah, so yeah, so bona about his team indaba ka Mayele. And then oddly enough umjita I transfer market lo khulu usinika I values transfer values a player, like all the out to Mayele, like I co-valued up abebekanga ilawe I-value yakhe umjita. So asiyazi okay how much is he worth and how many years ana contract yakhe ki Young Africans Tanzania. But yeah, Mayele 28-year-old Congolese, yeah, maybe angalinda Kaizer Chiefs sobona. It's up to Bobby no Kaizer babazokwazi ushayana le deal. Number 2 on the list is striker ezintsha is linked with Kaizer Chiefs. Ranga Chivaviro, yeah, South African, despite the name, was a but it's where he's from, but I haven't confirmed okay in the Nipana. And then not fading, so it's not a peak, or maybe like yeah, late bloomer, my city late bloomer, because it's fading. This is his best season. And Chivaviro scored 17 goals in non-competitions this season. So siyabona okay ngihamithini ufuna Kaizer Chiefs mchita. Team yakhe relegated imarumo Gallants. So definitely uyahamba pha whether uyeke Chiefs kwenye team sizobona. But at 30 he is not going overseas. Akazova, so uzakwenza imove I think a local. Yeah, 17 goals, 30-year-old, and then umchita valued at according to transfer market value of 4 million. Yeah, maybe Chiefs can afford a low way. and umchita has been around. It's like are you a new kid on the block le journeyman Chivaviro like usuka Cape Town All Stars Ubuntu so like Ikapa waya nase Baroka so like with bank says yo out of Daliva like journeyman and like I think umchita was everywhere around the country. Sesuga yeah Cape Town for like different teams waya Mpumalanga different teams pana waya Polokwane odlala iBaroka sesuka nase Eastern Europe or Kosovo khona team bayadlalela pha phinda wabuya so experienced surely mature umchita so and then finally of money breakthrough season yakhe with this season PSL at last at the age of 30 shy 17 goals and then everyone yamfuna including Kaizer Chiefs. So Chivaviro maybe Kaizer Chiefs next season yeah go Bobby no Kaizer. And then last on the list of new strikers is a link with the Chiefs, teenager Malawi. Yeah, technical game players are like yeah was money quality nyanyane pan. 19-year-old Eric Sadia. Mabanye bathi is the new Capitino Mango umchita. Yeah, as you'd expect, Malawian League bone as equal stats is available is Kamchita. But the key information is if okay, 19-year-old, like teenage sensation, Eric Sadia, and then already at 19, he'll win a 2 Player of the Season awards. At 19, 2-time Player of the Season. So yeah, try the new Capitino Mango. So yeah, maybe Chiefs Maizen I guess umchita Eric Sadia. Otherwise, yeah, Chiefs Machitani is Bonajani is reports. Maybe it's going to strikers, maybe Chiefs suppose is strong instead of La Machita. And there's much more comments, Machita sends a low up the channel. So yeah, 3 strikers is linked with Kaizer Chiefs. Fiston Mayele, Congolese, 28-year-old from Ilawe, Young Africans, Tanzania. Number 2, Ranga Chivaviro from Mikaelans, relegated, 17 goals in all competitions this season. Plus, now teenagers in Malawi, 2-time Player of the Season, 19-year-old, the new Capitino Mango. But the Kaizer Chiefs, yeah, alone is open long about Bobby Muta, no Kaizer Junior, Masboni Machita. Otherwise, yeah, if you got one channel like content, ungalali kazi ungalali cofa subscribe khona indawo ezantsi bhale subscribe phezantsi macofa kwa subscribe khona videos watch abafethu.